Hey guys, welcome back to Chaos Core Tech. My name's Garrett, and this video is actually a request from a fellow 3D printing YouTuber by the name of CJ Printing. I'll put a link to his channel down in the description. You should definitely check him out. And his request was for mini gaming consoles. Now, I figured I'd take this one at a time and see how it went, and the first one I did was PS4. And that's not for any reason. I'm not fanboying or anything like that. I actually own both a PS4 and an Xbox One and probably play them about equally. So don't say I'm picking sides down there. And now it is mini, like he asked, and I actually put a little hanger on it. So, I don't know, you could make it an ornament for your Christmas tree or something like that, or put it on a keychain, whatever. And I made this pretty decent sized at this size, so it'll be easily scalable. So if you want to make a smaller one, you're certainly welcome to. And if you want to make a big one, you can do that too. I actually included one without this as well if you just wanted the PS4. I created this in Fusion 360. It was actually a pretty simple design. I did not put any of the ports on there, like the USB ports and the HDMI and the power cable and stuff in the back, just because I didn't think they would really add much. But I did put the logos on there. And basically how I did that is I took the images off of Google Images and I converted them to SVG files, imported them into Fusion 360, and that was pretty much it. So you probably can't see very well on there, but there's the Sony logo right over here. It says PS4 right over here. And then there is a PlayStation logo right there. And you can see that my wife painted in the little blue strip for the lights to just indicate that it's on. So I printed this at 0.1 millimeter layer height just because these logos are so tiny. But if you're printing bigger, you can go 0.3. Or if you just don't care about those details as much, feel free to go 0.3. And it actually prints in this orientation. And that's just to counteract the gaps in here, because if you print it like this, these gaps would have nothing to print over. You'd need support. So if you print it like this, no support's needed. So this can just be something to spice up your keychain if you want to be a huge nerd like I am. And then let me know if you guys like this type of thing, because I definitely plan to make the Xbox One unless you guys just really don't like this. I can even make other consoles like the Wii U if you're one of the 5 people who bought it. Don't feel bad, I bought one too. And I actually played it a lot, so. I can even make older consoles, like I think the Nintendo 64 would be really cool to do like this. But let me know what you guys think. And make sure you hit that like button, get subscribed, and then leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favorite console was. It can be current generation, old generation, just whatever your favorite is. Or if you can't pick a favorite, just tell me which one you play the most. Mine up until recently was probably the PS4, but probably within the last few weeks, PC is what I've been playing the most. But within the next month, Xbox is going to be taking the reins again because Gears of War 4 is coming. Okay, so I think it's time for this to take its place up on the shelf. I think I'm going to put it on this shelf because this shelf's just kind of like mismatched stuff, and the PS4 doesn't really fit with anything I've done here so far. So I'm going to move the Ankh over just a little bit. I think I'm going to make Babam front and center. And then BMO will go over there. Then we can just set the PlayStation here. Alright, I think that works. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll leave you with next week's preview.